Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to backside feeble stall. For this trick, if you have your exo stall and maybe your rock and roll, then you are well prepared, but it's up to you. If you don't want to learn those tricks, just learn the backside feeble stall. Backside feeble stall is similar to backside exo stall. The main difference is the front truck is not planted on the coping, but you poke over it. Foot position is the same as you would just roll around in a ball, back foot on the tail and your front foot over the front bolts. Ride up to the coping straight, and when your front truck begins to go over the coping, slightly shift your weight to your back leg while you keep your body straight as you would continue to ride up the coping. As soon as your back truck comes up to the coping, turn your shoulders and turn your board 90 degrees and poke your front truck over the coping. Keep all your weight on your back truck and bend your knee a little and your front leg keep it straight. And just hold that feeble position with your front truck poked over the coping, kind of resting on the deck. To hold the position, keep the pressure on your back truck, pressing down on the wheel. The one is under your heel, so you can lock that onto the coping, and that will keep you steady in that feeble position. Because this is a small rep, I don't have to lean back too much, but it changes slightly with different ram sizes. So to get back to the ram, still keep the pressure on your back truck, because if you don't, you might slip out. And just swing your arms around and pull your nose in. To do that, you can put a pressure on your back foot toes, and just like you would do with the rock and roll, apply a slight pressure on your tail and lift up the nose, then swing your arm to start the turn and follow through with your shoulders. Always look where you're going, and when you completed the turn, quickly shift your balance to the center of your board and roll away. Hopefully, you get some pointers to your backside feeble stall. Now it's your turn to go out and start to practice. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials, but as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.